Restore is a customer of yours, and they've acquired a number of businesses. Each business has got different systems, processes, etc.
Yep.
Is that something particularly you can help with? Is when you have two different systems and you've got that problem of either duplicate data or certain fields in this system but not in that system, and incomplete records. How can you help with that?
Yeah, done a fair amount of it. You mentioned Restore as an example, the number of acquisitions they've had, getting that data out of old systems and putting it into the new one. There's always a challenge that everything's slightly different. So it's a lot of mapping exercises required, making sure that this matches this and that's equal to that. So part of that process is to actually look and review that data, making sure it actually meets all the requirements, what the CRM is asking. If there's anything in addition, and then of course we can always add it into the CRM solution if we want. I think again, if there's any processes that the other system's using that the current system doesn't deal with, then of course we need to review those and maybe have to look at changing the scope of that solution as required.